Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. As I was getting my camera all set up and ready to start vlogging, I found Jude. He had crawled into the sink somehow. So that's fun. Life with a toddler. It is 11. And that's usually smoothie time for us. So I make Jude a smoothie like every day because it's his favorite thing. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to go make your smoothie, huh? Smoothies are done and we're about halfway through Evan's school day because he does virtual learning and it honestly sucks. What? Are you gonna come say hi? Say hi.
Hi guys. Hi guys. My brother and I are just eating nuts right now. Just a normal day, like every day.
Yeah, it's just a normal day like every day, listening to Coco Melon all day, Jude doing my hair. Pretty much the same as usual, huh, Jude?
And me and Baba being bored.
And being bored, huh? But like I was saying, we're like halfway through the school day for Evan. He does the virtual learning and it's really hard. Like harder than you think it would be. Come in. I'm coming. Come on. Let's go. Let's follow sister. Come on. Come on. Come on. We decided to go for a little walk and get outside because it's sunshiny and warm. And maybe it'll help Jude keep his shoes on because he hates wearing his shoes. So get some exercise too. Huh. He's trying to run and it's the cutest thing ever. Ellie just got a package. What'd you get?
A necklace.
It's kind of hard to see because it blends with her shirt, but she got a letter E. It matches the one that I have that has the letter A. What else did you get in your package? There's Jude and my disgustingly messy house. So that's what happens when you're a busy mom of 3. Your house is just destroyed by like noon. And then she also got a new leotard because what did you start yesterday?
Dance.
Evan got a package too, but he's in the middle of a quiz. Do you want to show them your shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, you put it in your room. This is Evan's bendy shirt that he got.
Dad, I'm in dance and what's it called again?
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics. I'm in ballet and gymnastics.
And jazz.
And jazz. Jazz? What jazz?
Different kind of dance. You want to show us your leap?
I need my ballet shoes on.
Alright, my dryer is very noisy, but she's going to go get her ballet shoes on now, so that she can show everybody the leap that she learned in her dance classes last night. Signed her up for some dance classes. They're super COVID safe. They do temperature checks, hand sanitizer. You have to sign a waiver saying that you're going to be held liable if you spread COVID through the class, and everybody wears masks. Their water fountain's off. She has to bring her own, so it's super safe. I would not put her in anything like that if it wasn't going to be safe. Oh, she's got her ballet shoes on. All right, here we go. Good job. And dinner is done. So good. There's a shadow, so it's hard to see, but it's good, I promise. I can put the recipe in the description box if you want to make this, because it's so good. So, me and Ellie are listening to some Disney songs while we wait for our grocery pickup. I don't know if you guys can see Ellie back there. You might be able to. It's pretty dark in the car. I think we are going to end the vlog here. We're going to pick up our groceries and go home and eat some ice cream. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and tell me how your day was, and subscribe. See you guys next time.